Okay, here's a tutorial under Windows 10 related to the ugliness of the text. As you can see, the text is not clear, letters are not nice at all. Okay, and let's see how to fix that in Windows 10. Open a File Explorer window and right click this PC and go to Properties. Okay, and on this window, Advanced System Settings, and here at Performance, go to the Settings tab button. Okay, and check this one, Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. Okay, and close it with Apply. And after I click Apply, notice the text will change here. So Apply, and the text is much nicer. Without these smooth edges, the text is uglier. The lines are not that clear. So check smooth edges of screen fonts. Okay, and the text is much nicer.